Good day, I am Alexander Ramirez. This is a presentation about identify technology value for technology valuation and negotiation. Group 6. Lack of information and production costs. It is necessary to have a balance between growth and profitability. Innovation is a tool for strengthening competitiveness for small and medium-sized companies in Colombia. Lack of competitiveness. Impact of technological capacity. Comprehensive asset plan. Small and medium-sized companies in their pilot stage of development must work intensely on the information necessary to assess technologies and deepen the analysis of business dynamics and sectors of application of these technologies. In such a way that they can define more successful strategies that provide a balance between growth and profitability supported by comprehensive asset plan. Thanks.